Hi, I'm supposed to be heading towards Gulmarg today, but we are right now stuck in our hotel because it actually snowed and our vehicle can't really come right on top of where we're staying. We're gonna stay here for another 2 hours or so and then leave from here. The roads were blocked due to snowfall, and hence our vehicle could not come right to the top. So we are walking down towards it now. The hotel staff helped us with our luggage, and now we are en route to Gulmarg from Sonmarg. The view has completely changed here. Today we are slightly behind schedule. Hopefully, we should reach on time for the snow activities. The snow became a whole block of ice and had to be cleared from the windshield. Gulmarg is 124 kilometers from Sonmarg, and it will take us around 3.5 hours drive to reach Gulmarg from Sonmarg. So we have just made our first stop here and look at the view. We have now halted for lunch and then we will continue our journey to Gulmarg. Just had a piping hot Kashmiri kawa chai and Kashmiri pulao. If the weather continues to be like this, then we might change our vehicle at Tanmarg. So we are now at Tanmarg and it is still snowing, so our vehicle won't be able to drive through the ghats covered in snow. We will rent snow boots before we change our vehicle. We got boots on hire for 100 rupees a pair. They also give gloves, jackets and snow pants on rent. We are being transferred to a 7-seater Scorpio which cost additional rupees 800 for the entire vehicle. Since our current vehicle does not have four-wheel drive, it cannot pull through the climbing roads covered in snow. It is quite risky to drive in snow if your car is not meant for it, as there are high chances of accidents caused by skidding on snow. We might have to take the same vehicle back down tomorrow as well if it continues to snow like this. We are staying one night in Gulmarg, so in case we get delayed, we will do all the activities in the morning before leaving from Gulmarg. The route to Gulmarg is so scenic and changed drastically because of snow. Gulmarg in Kashmiri means meadow of flowers. The snowfall hasn't stopped since morning, so looks like the gondola ride was shut today. And if the snowfall continues like this even tomorrow, then there is a high possibility of the gondola ride being shut tomorrow as well. I just hope it does not get cancelled. So I usually cut short my videos by reducing the clips from the route towards the destination. But guys, this is a route I couldn't stop sharing. This is just so beautiful. Doesn't seem like we have come in April at all. It doesn't usually snow in April. We just got lucky. Feels like a winter wonderland. We have to walk our way up to our hotel, and we are staying at Hotel Pine Spring in Gulmarg. Without the snow boots, this would have been a difficult walk today. I will give a quick room tour as soon as we check in. This is the reception, and now we're heading to our room. So this is our room, and this room comes with a balcony. So wait till you see what is behind and what the view is like from the balcony. this was our dinner. We are on our way to take the gondola ride. Look at the monkeys, they're so fluffy. So, based on the weather, the gondola ride could close anytime. So, we took a guide, Mr. Fayaz Ji, has been our guide right now. He had already bought us tickets till phase 1 of Gulmarg, which cost 750 rupees per adult. We didn't have to stand in queue since he got it for us. Also, a guide is helpful if we have to haggle for snow activities at top, as well as if we plan on trekking around that area, he'll be very useful in guiding us there. Our driver, Mr. Hilalji, was the one who suggested to take a guide here. So this place is super crowded. This is the busiest place we have seen in Kashmir so far. However, Fayaz ji says this is hardly any tourists. Cannot even imagine what this would have been like before the pandemic. So we are now in the gondola. Did you know that this gondola ride in Gulmarg, Kashmir is Asia's highest and largest gondola ride? It is also the second highest and the second largest gondola ride in the world. The total ride is that of 10 minutes and much slower than what you see on screen as I've fast forwarded the ride. Would you like me to upload a video just sharing the gondola experience? Do let me know. We are finally here. So, phase 2 is closed today because of the snowfall, and the weather is still unpredictable. But luckily, phase 1 did not shut, so we got a chance to be here finally. I'm excited to try the activities here. My first would be skiing. Gulmarg is quite famous for skiing in winter. After some haggling, a guide managed to get me this skiing experience at 1200 rupees inclusive of a teacher. So the teacher will be helping me get used to the equipment and to balance myself. This well water never freezes during harsh winters. As you can see, it is still snowing, but the water has not frozen yet. Next, we will try snowmobile. The rates for this are fixed. They take you to different viewpoints K1, K2 and K3 starting at 1000 and going all the way up to 2000 per person. We are now at K2 point in Gulmarg and it is such a stunning view. Have a look at this. Usually you could clearly see the entire Himalayan range from here, but since the weather is cloudy we can't see it right now. I've always wanted to try this and I finally did this. Please don't judge me. We are now heading back and see this view. I'll ride the snowmobile in some time.
This is at phase 1, all the places you can have eateries and drink some chai. We're having some tea here. So we did skiing and we went on the snowmobile as well. But we couldn't go to phase 2 because it was quite cloudy when we came. The route to phase 2 that goes all the way top till there. And usually for skiing, I don't know if you can see this. They stop right there and then they come down skiing from there as winter sport. It was an amazing experience. However, we didn't really get a chance to see a lot of the mountains and there is a little bit of sun coming up. This is how this looks and it was an amazing experience. I think Gulmarg is basically the best place if you want to try out different winter activities. That's for sure.
So the sun is just starting to come out and this is the gondola stop for phase 1. We are sadly heading back now because we have to reach Pahalgam today. We are delayed by a day on a complete Kashmir tour right now. Hopefully we will reach before sunset. We just reached Tanmarg and now we will head towards Pahalgam now. I hope you enjoyed this video. Do like and share this video if you did. Subscribe to my channel to get notified on my next upload from Pahalgam.